Hey friends, smartphones these days are coming with a bigger batteries and also come with some sort of fast charging. Having a power bank will always come in a handy, especially when you travel a lot and spend more of the days in outdoors. It is not always ideal to carry the charging adapter as you might not get to a socket to plug in. Power banks are portable, handy and can fit in a bag easily so that you can charge your phone on the go. There are a lot of good power banks available in India from the top brands. Most of the modern power banks in 2020 are equipped with USB Type-C port, fast charging capabilities which can be an added advantages for many. If you are looking to buy the best power bank under Rs 1500, then you are at the right place. Watch this video to find out which power bank in India offers great value and reliability. So let's begin. This power bank from Intex have capacity of 16,000 mAh battery. It have two USB ports allowing user to charge two devices simultaneously. Its built-in LED indicators display the charging status and the battery life. You can also save battery life by switching the power saving modes. Its positive point, it have power saving mode, and its negative point is it is little bulky. It is another power bank from Intex. From that you can charge a standard smartphone up to 4 times. With this, it is compatible with a wide range of devices. And one of the key highlight of this power bank is that it comes with a 3 USB ports allowing you to charge 3 devices simultaneously. Intex offer 1 year of warranty for the product. And its positive point is it can charge 3 devices at once, and its negative point is it is slightly bulky. Cisco Power Pocket 100 10,000 mAh comes with dual USB output, Type-C input or micro USB input. It has a dual USB output, port 1 and port 2, DC 5V and 2.4 ampere. The power bank offers a prolonged battery life. It has a battery indicator and intelligent multi-protection circuits. The device has advanced circuit overcharging and discharging protection. It comes with a 6-month warranty and weight just 285 grams, which make it easy to carry around. Its advantage is it contains lithium polymer battery, and its disadvantage is it has no LED flashlight. It is available in blue, black and white color. Duracell batteries have been around for ages and now you can get their power banks too. The Duracell power bank is designed to look like its regular batteries that are known for being highly durable and long lasting. This power bank allows you to charge a device off it while it gets charged from the power brick. Duracell also offers 3-year warranty so you can be sure of the quality. Its plus point is it has catchy design. Its negative point it is little bulky. Amberen has been around for a while now and its 20,000 mAh promises to offer enough power to juice up your phone multiple times. It has a premium rubberized feel and a lithium polymer battery along with dual input and output. It also includes a USB Type-C port as well as a micro USB port, offering better compatibility. Its advantages are dual input and output and micro USB and Type-C supports. Eyeball has a slim and handy design, universal compatibility, high efficiency 10,000 mAh battery, 2.4 ampere output for fast adaptive charging, dual USB output, 2 USB-A ports, dual USB input, micro USB and Type-C port, LED charging indication, intelligent safety multi-protection, temperature sensors, physical temperature sensor to prevent operation in over temperature condition, thus ensuring battery safety. These are the features of Eyeball power bank. Xiaomi's new Redmi power bank comes in two battery capacities, 10,000 mAh and 20,000 mAh. The 10,000 mAh is pretty affordable, coming in at Rs 799 with features such as dual input ports, micro USB and Type-C. There are two USB-A ports for charging two devices at the same time. The power bank has an anti-slip design and receive a texture coating for a comfortable feel. The power bank can charge a phone with 4,000 mAh battery 1.75 times, and thanks to 12 layer of protection, you don't need to worry about overheating anymore. The Redmi 20,000 mAh power bank has the same set of feature except that it supports 18 watt fast charging and it is slightly heavier than the 10,000 mAh battery pack. This one is priced at Rs 1,499 in India and it comes in black and white colors. Its features are dual input and output port, two-way fast charging, value for money, and its negative point is that it only supports 10 watt fast charging. Realme offers a 10,000 mAh power bank with 18 watt fast charging, support with dual input ports, USB Type-C and micro USB. This power bank can charge a 4,000 mAh battery capacity phone 1.73 times and comes with 12 layer of battery protection. Realme power bank 10,000 mAh is priced at Rs 1,299 in India and comes in 4 colors: red, grey, yellow and blue. Its advantages are 18 watt fast charging, dual input output ports, 12 layer battery protection, and its negative point is it is little higher in price. Chinese smartphone maker Oppo is the latest entrant in the power bank segment in India. It recently launched its 10,000 mAh VOOC flash charge power bank in country with a price tag of Rs 1,499. The power bank supports two-way charging and it's equipped with a dual safety protection for the batteries. The power bank includes two 5,000 mAh batteries inside an aluminum arc body. Its feature one USB Type-C port and one USB Type-A port. There are 4 LED lights on the power bank that allow you to easily know the amount of remaining power. Its advantages is it supports 20 watt fast charging and its negative point it has only single USB port. The new Mi2i 10,000 mAh power bank provided good results both in terms of its probability and charging potential. It supports two-way 18 watt fast charging, so not only can you fast charge your phones, you can also fast charge the power bank as well. Xiaomi offers similar specs in both 20,000 mAh as well as 10,000 mAh capacities, including 9 layers of circuit protection, dual USB output and two-way fast charging. Its advantages are it is portable, metal-clad design and works for micro USB and USB-C devices, and its negative point is it is little bit thick. This portable charger provides sufficient power to juice up your smartphone several times a day. Due to its high conversion rate, it will charge your device quickly. The user will also get a 1-year warranty at the time of its purchase. The only drawback of this power bank is that it is compatible only with smartphones, whereas other power banks can charge a variety of devices. Its advantages are easy to use, high conversion rate, and its negative point is it is little bulky and support only smartphones. As the name suggests, Flipkart SmartBuy is the exclusive product line owned by the e-commerce giant, priced at Rs 1,299. The portable charger comes with a battery capacity of 20,000 mAh and offers dual USB output ports. It also supports smart charging and is compatible with multiple devices and even has an LED torch. The power bank is available at 1-year warranty and 10 days replacement policy. Its advantages are smart charging, elegant design, BIS certified battery, and its negative point it is little heavy. Urban offers 20,000 mAh power bank in a compact form factor and weight around 350 grams. It comes with 2 USB ports and a micro USB Type-A port to charge the power bank. It can charge both smartphones and tablet. Once the power bank is fully charged, it can charge the iPhone X 5 times and charge the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus 4 times. It allows user to charge 2 devices simultaneously and supports up to 10 watt charging. Price at Rs 1,500. It is available on Flipkart. Its advantages are it has dual output, compact design, and its negative points are it does not support Type-C and maximum 10 watt output. Hope you enjoy this video. If you wanna buy and get more information, then check description. Thank you for watching. For next video, stay tuned.